Practice It Self-Check 14.18 stackQueueMystery3. We're going to write the output produced when the following method is passed each of our following queues. So let's start this off. Make sure you pay attention because when we do the exercises, we're going to have to actually code some of this stuff. Public static void mystery3. We're passing in a queue of type integer. Its name is just queue. Inside of this integer called size, we're going to store the queue size. It looks like we're going to have a for loop that runs the entire length of our queue. We are then going to have a print line where we print our queue. So inside of here, we make a new variable called n. We set it equal to queue.remove. So we're actually going to be taking things out of our queue. See if I can paste this in here, and we'll remove things as necessary. If n is greater than 0, we're going to do queue.add a negative n. So what this looks like we're doing, remember when we add to a queue, we add to the back. So if n is greater than 0, we are going to take what we have right here. So this 1, for example, we are going to move it to the back and we are going to put a negative in front of it. Since negative 2 is less than 0, we are not going to do anything for this. Now 3 is going to move to the back. We're going to have a negative 3. Negative 4 is less than 0, so we're not going to do anything with it. And 5 is greater than 0, so we're going to have to put a negative in front of it and append it to the back. Let's get rid of the rest of this. Let's submit. That passes 1 out of 3 tests. So if you want an easy way to do it, now that we understand the code, we're essentially just going to have all of our values greater than 0 become negatives. So we'll have a negative 42, negative 4, and a negative 71. For this next one, we'll have negative 10, negative 60, negative 50, and then a, well, this last one, remember, it's greater than 0, not greater than equal to 0. So that's going to end there. Should be it. That'll pass 3 out of 3 tests. Hopefully that helps you understand how queues work. We're going to start coding for them in the next videos in the playlist linked below the like button.